Hey guys, it's Holy Goalie with the Game Hounds, and I'm going to try to upgrade the hard drive on my PlayStation 4. And when I said I was going to do that, a few people said do a video, so I'm kind of doing a video. I have my Diablo shirt on to bring me some luck, so let's see what that happens. First thing I did is I grabbed a USB stick and I stuck it in the PlayStation and I downloaded all my game saves to a USB stick, so I at least have all my saves in a safe place. Even though some are on the cloud, I know I have them right here. Second thing I did is I bought this one. This is brand new, and I downloaded the system software file from the PlayStation website to this USB stick. What you do is you create a folder called ps4, that's PS number 4, all capital letters, and then a subfolder called update, all capital letters, and that's where you download the file. I forget how much it is, a couple hundred megabytes or so, into this update file, and that's what you're going to put in after we're done installing the new hard drive into the system. That's how we're going to boot it up in safe mode with this in with the new software. So first thing we're going to do is, again, this is what I saw online, so it's no magic, is just pull this off like so. Okay. Then it said to take off this screw right here. See if I can get you guys a little bit better view of the camera here. Okay. So here goes this screw, and then this slides out. Okay. Now there's 4 screws on the side, so I want to make sure I got this lined up. So it's got the black connections in the back, so that's going to go in like this, and there's 4 screws on here that settles this into the cradle. So I'm going to take out the 4 screws on the cradle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and do this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So I've got the 4 screws unscrewed, so I'm going to slide out the old hard drive, put the new one in, and now I'm going to put the 4 screws back into the new hard drive. Okay, so I got the new hard drive in, and I will say it was quite the bugger to get these back in there. I kind of had to jiggle it to get the holes to line up, and this one here behind his lip was a real pain in the neck. So now we're going to slide the hard drive in. Okay, and I did read also, don't tighten the screws wicked tight. Boston accent, haha, whatever. So don't do that. So I just slid this back in till it lines up, and I'm going to put this screw back into the top here. And not too tight. So again, we had 1 and then 4, so 5 screws all together. And now we're going to try to put the cap back. Let's see. I did take this off early and it went right back on for me. There we go. And yep, that's on. So now I'm going to go plug it in and I'll take you over there. Okay, so I got the camera aimed at the TV. Now here's the moment of truth. See if I did this right. I have to go into safe mode, which I hold this for 7 seconds. So let's see. And let's see if I did it right. Okay, so press the button. Okay, let's see. Update system, no, initialize, reinstall system software. So that's what I'm going to select. 2.51, yes. We're in safe mode. Hopefully you guys can see all that. Kind of, sort of. Let's see if I can tilt the camera up just a little bit. I'll zoom it in a little bit. Again, you can't see the screen very well. But I have my, well, let me zoom in, see if I can get that to clarify a little bit. Alright, oh boy. An update file cannot be used. I will be right back. Okay folks, we're back, and I did spend 10 minutes figuring out my error. Okay, so what I did is I downloaded the wrong file from the PlayStation website to the USB stick. I downloaded the update file, which is about 300 megabytes. What I actually needed was the new install file, which is closer to 800 megabytes. So after trying 2 different USBs out and downloading the file twice, I went online to research it, and it's hard to find this file. It's a tiny icon on the page. I'll put a link up on the GameHounds Facebook page and maybe Twitter also where to find it. But I finally got the new file. So do you want to be, ps4 will be initialized, all data deleted? Yes. So let's see if this works now. So again, I spent about 10 minutes trying out different USBs, and I tried both ports out on the PS4 to no luck. But finally I did get some luck when I downloaded the correct file. So once again, if you're doing the hard drive installation, the hardware part of it was pretty easy. This part, not so much. A little confusing because they have an update file as well as a full system file, update file, whatever you want to call it. So get the bigger one, which is closer to 800 megabytes. I think it's at 735 on my stick. So now we're preparing the system software, and we'll come back and check it out in just a minute. Okay, so it rebooted from the stick. Looks like I put the software in, and now we're doing a software update. See if you can say that, software update, please wait. So we're going to let that do its thing, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back again, and it says connect the controller. So I'm going to press the button. We're going to do English. We're going to, let's do the system setup here. So I think it's just going to run through the new setup. I do have the camera connected. It's off to the side, so you won't be able to see it. Eastern time, 8:14, looks good. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All this looks good. We accept all this stuff here, and now we're hopefully going to be going into the dash, where I will just have to sign into the PlayStation with my account and get back to normal. So there it is. So folks, in a nutshell, the hard drive is pretty easy to take out and put in. The hard part is the software setup, as you saw. What you want to do is make sure you get the larger file of the two. It's about between 750 and 800 megabytes on the stick, and put it in and start up in safe mode and follow the directions. And this would have been done a long time ago if I had the right file to begin with. So anyway, that's the install of the new hard drive. So far it looks okay. Let's just check the, just for giggles, let's go over here and look at my settings. And looked at my system storage management, and there we are, 1.77 TBs. So it is in, and I'm actually installing The Witcher right now, so I can sign that up. But I'm going to sign into my account and get going. And thanks for joining us. I hope your installation goes a lot better than mine did.